Good morning, guys. All right. So, welcome to the 26th of September 2018. My name is Dylan from the Ritan virtual trading floor. Here's your fundamental data that will be affecting the foreign exchange markets today. All right. So, it's quite a quiet morning, guys. I'm not going to go through the stuff that's not going to affect the markets because it's just a waste of time. All right. The stuff that we're interested in is the stuff that will be affecting the market. Okay. So let's have a look at that. It's at 3:30 p.m. coming out of the USA. Crude oil inventories, all right? What is this? This is a stock take basically of crude oil, all right? If the figures that come back are less than what was expected, it means that there's less oil, which increases the demand, which increases the price, so we'll see a spike. All right, if the numbers are greater than what they expected, it means that there's surplus, which means that the demand comes down, and if the demand comes down, it means that the price goes down. Okay, it's price action, guys. Supply and demand, it affects the price. So watch out for that at 3:30 p.m. If you have any positions open in oil, then you will definitely want to adjust your stops and your targets accordingly. We've had a lot of action with oil, guys, with Brent oil as well. It's now over $80 a barrel. We're probably going to hit $100 coming up soon, going the way things are. So very exciting. I know a lot of people are long on oil. Just watch out for this information, guys. If it does, because we know that oil is going to be bullish, all right, so how I would trade this fundamental data is I'm actually looking for a drop in price because I want to buy a dip. If this figure comes out and we see that there's a surplus, then I'll definitely be watching that price come down and I'll be entering again to obviously go long. All right, so watch out for that. 3:30 p.m. London time. Right, at 7 p.m. London time, we have the FOMC, economic projections. What is the FOMC, guys? The FOMC is the Federal Open Market Committee. Okay, they're going to be discussing things like interest rates and inflation. Okay, and they'll be having a press conference at 7:30 where all the voting and all the details will be coming out. So do watch that. It's going to affect the US dollar. If they are more hawkish, in other words, if they think that it's necessary to raise interest rates, then that will be affecting the US dollar positively. If it is dovish, if the tone and the language is kind of dovish, then it will definitely be affecting the US dollar negatively on a short term. Okay, so guys, they're also going to be discussing federal funds rate. What is that? What is the federal funds rate? It's the interest rate at which depository institutions lend balances held at the Federal Reserve to other depository institutions overnight. Okay, this also affects the US dollar, guys. This will also be discussed and the data released somewhere between 7 and 7:30. So do watch out for this, guys. If you have any positions open with involving the US dollar, then that will be affected. So adjust your stops and your targets accordingly. I don't like to trade this information. Well, kind of what I do like to do with fundamentals is if the fundamental data breaks the trend or goes against the trend, then I use that as a good dip to buy sometimes, depending on what it is that I'm trading, what commodity it is, whether it is something that is quite steady on a long uptrend, then negative information coming out on the fundamental side would be a cue to buy for me. Okay, but that's just a very general sort of how to. I don't like making money on fundamentals generally. I definitely don't like being in the market for a lot of unpredictable market volatility. It's not part of my risk management strategy. Guys, if you would like to trade with us on the Ritan trading floor, then join us. Go to www.writentradinggroup.com. All right, we are a really great group of people. There's lots of consolidated information throughout the day affecting equities, foreign exchange, energies, commodities. So lots of information. It's all about community, wealth, and health. Health being in reference to our amazing corporate wellness solution. It's tailored for busy people that have long days in the office and don't have a lot of time to train. All right, I am a fitness professional, so I've been trading for the last 3 years, but before that I spent 10 years working on, I did stunt work on various Hollywood productions, many of them over the years. I own a gym in South Africa. So I come from a fitness background and I've tailored this corporate wellness program to busy, high output individuals that don't have a lot of time to exercise. Okay. the whole service is $1 a day. It's a real good price, real good value for money. And of course, you get access to our trading floor where you'll be able to just pop in and out at the touch of a button on your cell phone and get relevant market updates. Let's say you have 2 hours to trade in the evening. You jump on, we sit, and in that 2-hour window, any good deals that come up, any good opportunities to increase your portfolio by a couple of percent, we can enter with a solid risk management strategy so that you can sleep easy. And the idea is over time, you grow your account slowly and consistently. All right, we have a very good risk management culture here at Ritan. All right, I am a qualified applied financial trader. And if you guys would like more information, as I said, go to www.ritantradinggroup.com. All right. Fantastic, guys. I'll be seeing you guys throughout the day with my updates. And until then, have a good day. Bye-bye.